So it's a new morning and it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. Yes, it was a little bit cold, but under the blankets completely fine. And with the stove and the AC, we managed somehow, and now we are going to the next place, which isn't very far away, but we'll stop somewhere on the way. So let's meet over there. By the way, if you didn't believe me that it's pretty cold here where we are, you can see I'm standing in a frozen river at the moment, on a frozen river. Sure, there are some holes and this is about to break, but still, I don't often see a frozen river, at least not in Switzerland, so I think it's proof that it's pretty cold here. Welcome to the jungle! And yes, I'm being serious, because 70 million years ago, this was a lush jungle and many vertebrae lived here. Yes, specifically dinosaurs like tyrannosaurs, velociraptors, they lived here and they actually found fossils of many animals, of many ancient creatures here in this place, which once was a tropical, lush jungle. And because of some geological reasons that I don't really understand, this is an ideal place to find fossils because of the way that it was protected over the millions of years and it is being unearthed by erosion. And not only that, this was also the last point of continental US to have been mapped. The guy who did it, his name was Powell. He climbed up to that mountain to survey this area. This is awesome, seeing this history here. Beautiful. I really love this. We are currently taking a little stroll in Kodachrome State Park, which actually was named after something related to Kodak because of the colors. Someone thought to name it after something related to photography. Today is really warm, or at least here it's really warm.
It's way warmer than yesterday.
Yeah,
and the other
it's
days.
more than 10 degrees Celsius, I think. And we're taking this flat hike and learning something about nature and checking out this funny spire back there. And in this spectacular place, our trail here in Kodachrome State Park ends. So beautiful. I really like this kind of places where you have precipices on both sides and a road that will not be existing much longer. Well, a path, not a road. It's just beautiful. Really enjoying this view here. But now we'll go to a national monument. Welcome to Grosvenor Arch in Grand Staircase-Escalante National Monument, which is actually part of the same national monument that we've been yesterday. And here you have this beautiful, huge double arch. You practically drive 11 miles on an unpaved road to get here and see this. This is definitely beautiful, fascinating, amazing what nature builds, this natural bridge, Grosvenor Arch. But this has been it from this place. There's actually not much else to do except seeing this and being amazed by it. And now we're going to our next overnight stay, which is a cabin. Yes, this is where we will be staying. Awesome! This is so cute. Let's check it out inside. Oh, we even have some chairs outside. And because it's not that cold, I could even sit there for a bit and read something. And
Look at this.
a real boss couch, a rocking boss couch, a bed. Oh, it's smaller than the last bed. Oh, what do we have? A nice table to work in down here. Well, don't care about the TV. And we do have a fridge, a microwave, coffee machine. And I think Evelyn sounds really happy, so...
There is is a bathtub.
We have a tiny American bathtub, and for me, a toilet. That's more important than the bathtub. Oh, this is awesome. And you know what? 2 nights here are still cheaper than 1 night in the yurt. We'd have to stay almost 4 nights here to pay the same amount that we paid at the yurt. Yes, the yurt was really expensive. But that was it for today's vlog. It's shorter. Well, yesterday's vlog was also a bit shorter. Also, again, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and see you again tomorrow because we will visit the famous Bryce Canyon. Bye bye!